Assalamualaikum. It's Bunda and
Asia.
Hadiza. We are going to learn about sea
Animals.
animals. So the first one is
Turtle.
turtle, swimming,
Swimming.
and the second one is
Fish.
clownfish.
Bearfish.
This one,
Jellyfish.
jellyfish. Wow, what is this?
Star.
Starfish.
Daisy.
Oh, dancing. And this one,
Whale. Swimming.
swimming is the biggest one. What is this?
Fishes.
Baby shark. And this one,
Octopus.
octopus. And this is
Seahorse.
seahorse. Wow. And the last one is
Crab.
crab. So bye bye. It's
Bye.
Bunda and
India.
Khadijah. Say Assalamualaikum.
Welcome.